Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos. I'm in Cairo, Egypt, and I'm at the marketplace. It's like the big bazaar market. Can el-Khalili, Kawini. Okay, it's a marketplace. Let's go look, shall we? Let's do it. And so it's a big, huge marketplace, and every knick-knack under the sun, I think, is for sale here. So, how you doing?
How are you?
Good.
How can I take your money?
No, you can't. How can I take your money? No. Oh, a tour bus down the middle of this little itty-bitty crazy street. You gotta be kidding me. Wow, there is no way. He's pushing people out of the way. Wow. Wow, wow. Gate tours. GAT tours. Wow. So look at this street and look at the bus. I mean, it is nuts. Wow. Wow, wow. I can't imagine bringing that thing down this street. That is crazy. Anyway, well, let's go looking at knickknacks. I guess I'll follow the bus. Oh, and he's turning a corner. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Wow. 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 That is nuts. Wow. That is crazy. Look at this bus. Now he's gonna back up. Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, that is certainly nuts. So this is the big bazaar in Egypt. Say the name of it one more time.
Can el-Khalili.
Can el-Khalili.
Khalili, yes.
Khalili. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. And I will forget that in 3 seconds. You guys know me. And look, we can buy dancing outfits. I can get a belly dancer costume. All right, I'm down, I'm down. Bless you. Anyway, I just wanted to do a short little quick video so that you can kind of get an impression of what this place is like, because it really is a crazy place. So wow. And it looks like it goes on for a long way too. But okay, well, I think that's it for me, everybody. I think if I see something else exciting, I'll let you know. Okay, that's it. Bye.